Spirits were high in the city of Summers Point last week as Shore Medical Center unveiled a mural that brings their history to life.
The event today is really to celebrate the history of the hospital. The history started in 1940 when the hospital was incorporated as a not-for-profit hospital. At the same time, our auxiliary also was founded to support the community, support the hospital and everything that we're doing here. And really to acknowledge all of the community support and all the progress we've made here at Shore over the last several decades.
Shore Medical Center Chief Financial Officer David Hughes explains how the wall came about.
January of last year, we were looking at to create some history for an investor package, or a community relations package, I should say, for our community area. And we came about this and we looked at it and said, wow, what a great history. And we showed it to one of our presentations. Somebody said, well, do you ever think about putting that down in the lobby and showing it somewhere? So later on, we were looking at this wall and said, what could go on this wall? And we said, why don't we put this on the wall?
To many in Summers Point, the new mural exemplifies Shore's role in the community.
Our people in town mix in with Shore and have it's just a great partnership.
You know, all the innovations you see in this mural are all part of moving the hospital forward and moving Summers Point forward.
Reporting in Summers Point, Nick Pittman, SNJ Today News.